Have you been watching a lot of product research videos and maybe you've done a lot of product research yourself and possibly got to a certain point where you found fantastic products. However, you're still hesitant, don't know what to do, don't know if it's the right product for you to launch, to a point where you're starting to give up. Don't give up. In this video, I'm going to show you a very quick method for you to find great products, specifically if you are launching your very first product on Amazon. So let's get started. Hello, and welcome back to the channel. If this is not your first time watching a video on this channel, welcome back. But if it is your first time, hello, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. Quickly, look in the description box of this video because you'll be able to find three main things. First, you'll find our special training that can help you a little bit more about how to sell successfully on Amazon. Second, you'll find a free downloadable PDF with additional tips and secrets. And third, you'll find our own website so that you can reach out to us, book a call with our team in case you need any help and support. Now, of course, in order to be successful in any business, you need to have things that can help you work smarter and not harder. In this case, for Amazon sellers, we always look at tools to help give us data and provide us information. You've heard me and possibly a lot of other people who talk about selling on Amazon talk about a tool called Helium 10. Now, I'm going to be showing you a unique feature inside of Helium 10 that can quickly help you find a great product to sell. And yes, for those of you that keep on asking me, Helium 10 does currently operate in the UAE and hopefully soon on Amazon in KSA. If you want a great discount code that can give you 20% off for the next 6 months of your subscription on Helium 10, check out our discount code in the description box of this video. Thank you so much, Helium 10. So I'm inside Helium 10 and I'm looking at, you have a whole host of tools. Under product research, I'm using Black Box. Black Box is a unique tool because it can seriously help you identify unique products for you to sell on Amazon. Now, you can use Black Box to help you find products, keywords, ABA top search terms, competitors, niche, product targeting, and so many other details. But in this case, for this video, we're gonna be simply using products. Now, ensure that you have selected the right market and then look at the filter presets that Helium 10 have created. Because sometimes it's quite difficult to go through all of the filters, you don't really know what to choose. Great filter options for you from Helium 10, specifically products with very high growth potential, which are very much in demand at the moment, and maybe even products which have low rating, specifically if you are somebody that's creative and loves solving problems. Let's choose high growth. Now, I'm also gonna have to choose a category, but in this case, because I wanna show you a lot of options, I'm just gonna select all. Now, let's click on search. And here you go. A lot of different products that can be potentially something. Obviously, if you're doing private label, you don't want to be selling these same exact products. However, if you are doing wholesaling, you might consider selling these same exact products. For private label sellers that want to sell their own products, you just need to look at the product and find something unique about it or something that is unique that you can sell similar to the products. Now, as an example, it's probably a little bit difficult to decide to sell sunflower oil and Nescafe. These are products that are heavily gated in the grocery category on Amazon. However, look at this unique product. Now, yes, the price of this product is $29.99, so almost 30 dirhams. However, it's selling 471 units every single month. And the unique thing is that it doesn't have really great reviews. Let's click on it. This is such a simple product to find and this is actually such a simple product. Probably because this listing is coming from a different marketplace, not in the UAE. They have so many high reviews, and that's probably one of the reasons why they're selling. Because even though they have lots of ratings, they have a 3.4 review, which means the quality of this product isn't something people really like. However, this could be a unique thing where people aren't actually finding this product. People aren't actually, maybe it's not available from a local seller. So there are so many different options that you can have. Look, this seller, for example, has 309 reviews and is selling the product at $44.99. Let's investigate. Now, this seller is selling something a little bit different. Maybe it's like a different color. They're positioning it as a different type of product. I like the other one better because it's clear. However, this is selling almost 314 units according to Helium 10, and it is the #1 bestseller under the keyword furniture edge safety bumpers. So it's doing quite well. And as you can see, it literally took us just a few minutes to find this product, and potentially I would have never thought about selling this product if I hadn't done this quick research using Helium 10. So let me know, would you sell this sticky baby safety guard product that we just found? As always, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you never miss any video. Like this video and leave me your comments or questions in the comment section below. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.